Hello traders, hello everyone, anyone in the whole world, enjoy hearing the news. The news have a high impact in our world. We gonna watch a video about the top 10 economic news that impact all our life, and on Forex market in particular. Let's go.
Don't try in your real account. Try techniques in demo account 6 months at least. Good luck.
Every day, we have a list of news. For me as a Forex trader, I like the news. I'll make a short video later, showing how I trade in the news time. But now, let's see, what's the top economic news in the world.
Number 10.
Number 10. Seasonal news. It means the news that not happened regularly or suddenly. Like any Brexit news. Brexit means Britain exit. Mainly these kind of news impact GBP, the Great Britain pound. Or like any election news in any country as we see, and of course it impacts the currency for this country that has elections.
Number 9.
Number 9. Any news have the red box. What's the red box? There are many resources. You can see when the news will be happened and what kind of it. Like Forex Factory, Mike's-Book, FX Street, Investing, Daily FX. It shows all kind of news. There are 4 colors beside each news, the color which inflect how the news will impact the market. The gray one for low impact on prices, yellow for medium, orange for important news, and red for high level of effectiveness. And we always care about the red one. Maybe I'll make a video later to show you how it works. I'll leave links for these sites below this video. You go and check yourself, but don't forget to set time and date and filters.
Number 8.
Number 8. Any conferences. It could held by government or a central bank or any economic entity in any country. The news show us what currency will the conference impact, and watch the power level for this conference. BOC, Bank of Canada. FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, is the monetary policy making body of the Federal Reserve System. BOJ, Bank of Japan. ECB, Euro Central Bank. And it could be for any bank or any government, for any currency, and if notice, all of them beside the red box.
Number 7.
And number 7 is the monetary policies. Every central bank in the world has his private monetary policy, which impact on prices and investments and inflation. And for us, any monetary policies report or statement or summary are very important news and have a high level impact on any currency.
Number 6.
Number 6. Any official senior speaks. For me, I always search for the word speak in the news site. It doesn't matter who will speak for me. I only search for the word speak and the currency which will be affected by the coming news to manage my trade or observe the price. I'll make a specific video or a live show later to show you how I trade with news. The most famous affected news for official speakers is Mr. Mario Draghi, the president of the European Central Bank. And his speech always has a high impact on the euro in the market.
Number 5.
Number 5. The news about inflation's rate in any country. Inflation means depression, or the process of reducing the value of the currency versus the price of things. For example, you have $1,000 and hardly can buy a box of cigarettes. Anyway, the inflation news has a high level of impact on currency.
Number 4.
Number 4. GDP, or Gross Domestic Product. It's an indicator to measure the country's economic development. Each country has its GDP. It could be monthly or yearly. As we see, it's a very important news.
Number 3.
Number 3. The news about the limitation the interest rate. One of the most dangerous news, not only in Forex market, but also in anything in our life. The interest rate inflect the magnitude of investments and liquidity in markets. Anyway, you must be aware when you are trading if you have nearly news about interest rate.
Number 2.
Number 2. The non-farm employment change. It's a monthly report published to evaluate the government's performance in providing jobs in industrial sector or generally in non-farm sectors. In United States of America, that means it's mainly impact US dollar. It has the largest impact on the Americans' economy generally, and on USD and Forex market in particular.
Number 1.
Number 1. Any news about federal bank or any member in federal bank would cough. The federal bank is the most important monetary institution, not only in United States of America, but also all over the world. You must be very careful from any news contain FED. The most risky trade will be taken if Jerome Hayden Powell is about to speak. Jerome Hayden Powell is the current head of the Federal Reserve. And now, we've finished the top 10 economic news. Don't forget to support us by like the video and subscribe our channel for more videos. You can also watch some of our technical analysis via video on the channel. Goodbye and good luck.